Hello, my dear friends and family. What's going on? Hopefully, everything is quite well, and I am also very good. Today, my dear friend, I come in front of you to talking. Actually, a lots of people are trying to learn English and speaking English. That's why this is the way I chose to helping people. How can they will be fluent in English, and how can they will be giving this type of opportunity to making himself also a speaker of English. But this is not so much easy, and this is not also difficult. It depends on you what type of approach you are taking for this type of doing this type of things, my dear friend. It depends on you. When you will be makeover and you will be flexible for learning, for speaking, for listening, for writing, everything, when you will be able to do this type of things, my dear friend, then you can be, it can be very easy for you. So when you will always try to make, or you actually try to make your mind you can't getting, it's very difficult, it will be not for you. Try to escape it, try to do any type of another things. So today I will describe and try to help, my dear friend, and try to tell you something what you can do, and what this type of things, my dear friend, I am applying on myself, and I am getting the result. That's why I come in front of you to tell you something to do this matter. It can change your game. Try to do, my dear friend, 1 month or 2 months, you also notice yourself, it will be game changer technique. Whatever I doing, my dear friend, first of all, when I wake up in this morning, I try to think about English. What's the process of today for wake up in this morning? Who called me? What time actually I get up early in the morning? After getting in the morning, what I am doing? How can I am going to the washroom? What I am taking for brushing my teeth? How can I am putting my paste on the brush? And this is the process of brushing. Then I wash my face, going to my room, take the fresh napkin and wipe my face and hand and everything. This is the so much important significant technique, my dear friend. You start your morning by English things. Then you notice yourself, when you will be doing in this type of things in a 1 month, your mind will be ready for thinking in English. Your mind, actually your unconscious mind, will be always try to ready to everything convert in English. This is a great technique. Who are trying to learn English and whose people the English is second language, this is the not his mother tongue, these people always trying to do this, my dear friend, and I am also do this type of things, and I am getting the result. That's why I am prescribe you to do this type of things. After that, my dear friend, in the morning time, try to listening some podcast. When you will be able, or you will be always actually in your make it in your habit to listening podcast, and lots of guests coming different countries, like someone is UK, someone is American, someone is Australian, and Lithuania, and Francis, and Spanish. Different people comes to by guest in a podcast channel, and they are talking about their journey or many type of things they are actually share with us. So different people, my dear friend, different accent. When you will be ready for always listening the podcast, you will getting every type of difficult word, you will be able to know about the word. Otherwise they will be talking, but you can't getting any type of word, any type of sentence, you are not actually understand this type of things, and a time will be comes to in, you will be boring about this, and you will be escape this. So you have to make it your habit, then you can do it. Try to avoid the Bengali song. Try to always listening the English song. If you are a learner of English, if you are trying to be fluent in English and doing this type of activities, you are a student, and whatever you can, you are, I don't know about this, but if you are trying to be fluent and trying to do this type of things, try to, when you will be getting the leisure time, try to listening the music of English. English music very easily set up in our mind, and it automatically come out from our mouth. When we will able to know or learn, or actually we can singing a song in English, that time you always notice that from your mouth this type of sing always come out from your mouth. So that time also in your unconscious mind will be always trying to learn English. So this is the another technique, my dear friend, and this is most important and significant role play can in your mind or in your life, my dear friend. This is shadowing. You know what is shadowing? Shadowing means I am talking in English right now. You are repeating after me. You are repeating after me whatever I am delivered there. This speech you have to repeating after me. Like you are watching or listening some movies, some podcast, any type of news, or a lots of actually in this modern era have who are trying to make content in English so that people will be get help from their content they are making this type of content. So you have to what you have to do, you have to do, my dear friend, after them what they are delivered after, post your phone and try to how what approach they are take for deliver their sentence. Try to do this type of activities. It will be more easy way for speaking English and make sentences. You know, my dear friend, a lots of vocabulary will be get in come in front of you. You don't know about the vocabulary. When you will be getting this type of word, try to going to the chat GPT and write there what is the meaning of vocabulary. How can I use in my sentence this vocabulary? Give me 10 to 15 or 20. It depends on you. Give me 10 to 20 sentences. How can I actually use this word in my daily life? So when you learning this type of word regularly, and if you are very actually my dear friend, very intelligent, you can learn 10 to 20 sentence very easily in a day. After in a month you will total, when you will be actually totaling this amount, it will be 500 to 1600 sentences. So can you imagine if you learning in a month 500 to 600 sentences, you will be within 3 months you will be fluent in English. You can make this conversation, you can make content, you can going to any type of interview you can face, my dear friend. So this is the most important things for doing for learning English. And another approach is so much crucial for you, my dear friend. Try to read every time in English. When you will make this type of things in your habit, when you will getting any type of description, any type of books, any type of newspaper article, magazine, and whatever, your unconscious mind will be try to starting reading the description or reading this type of books. This can also help you to make over you a Englishman. So this is most important. If you look over the world, my dear friend, a huge amount of people I get in social media, they can make 25 to 30 20 this type of language, they are fluent. If they are totally 20 to 25 languages, they can be fluent. Why you and me can't be fluent in English? It's a particularly one language. Why we can't? This is very easy, my dear friend, but it depends on our technique. So when we will doing this type of technique and approach, we will be applying in our life, there have no one who can prevent us for learning or speaking in English. So you have to be more passionate. It actually depends on your passion. If you are passionate about your target, there have no one who can escape you from this type of things. And my dear friend, from previous 6 months ago, I didn't make this type of content in front of camera. The camera give me the confidence. Even I can make any type of conversation in front of people, public place, any type of peoples, in any type of interview board. There have no one who can prevent me from speaking in English. But I am not saying that I am not a native speaker and I am 100% fluent in English. But I coverage 50% to 60%. Yeah, right now I can coverage. After 6 months, I will be more and more. Actually, what type of word I can use, I don't know. I will be more and more success. I know about that. So try to watch my content, my dear friend, and I know about this. You trying to be very hardly, but if you are try to hold your horses, my dear friend, you can do also. If I can, you can also. Whatever you are trying to do, my dear friend, try to in your early age. If you are growing day by day, when you will be going to 30 up, you know, my dear friend, it will be quite difficult for you, because at that time this type of energy will be reducing you from your many type of tension and many type of family problem and a lots of things, my dear friend. As a Bengali people, we have to face, but day by day your energy will be going to the down. If you are belonging from 20 to 25, this is the exact time, my dear friend, to learning something. Trust me, after 25, after 30, you will be going to the your energy is day by day is decreasing. So that's time you can't getting the energy, you will be not able to do anything. So whatever you are trying to do, my dear friend, this is the exact time to do. Trust me and believe me, after when you will be going up to 30, you will remember one day about me. So whatever you are trying to do, my dear friend, this is the most crucial moment of in your life you are passing. So don't waste your time. Try to do something special within 25. It helps you in your life, my dear friend. Trust me. Thank you watching for videos. Thank you. I want to show my gratitude for you. However you are watching my videos and try to learning, I always appreciate you. Keep it up. One day will be success.